Greetings of the day. I am Chitra Sharma, working with AISSM CHM City as Assistant Professor. In this video, I will take you through the subject of front office and the topic will be guest service. What is a guest service? Guest service is something when a guest stays in a hotel, he needs many things when he stays in the hotel. Every hotel tries to fulfill their needs, and when they are staying with them, these services are also important for guest satisfaction, and it becomes a local communication point during their stay. The best publicity for any business is through the word of mouth, and a happy customer always provides a repeat business. There are 4 stages of guest cycle. They are pre-arrival, arrival, stay, departure, and post-departure. And the various guest services are handling guest mail, message handling, guest paging, safe deposit locker, guest room change, left luggage handling, and wake-up call. What is a guest mail handling? When people are away from home on a business or on a long stay, they need an address to which they can receive their mail, fax, parcel, or any kind of things in an urgent situation. Hotel provides this and obliges the guest. Hotels have an elaborate system and the SOPs to handle all such kind mails. Mails are again divided into 2 groups, that is incoming mail and outgoing mail. Under incoming mail, it is again divided into guest mail and hotel mail. Under guest mail, you have residence guests, checkout guests, and future guests. And under hotel mail, you have official and employees mail. The procedure for an incoming mail in a semi-automated system was, first they used to make in a mail logbook, then they used to mark and date and stamp machine. They used to sort out the mail, like for the guest mail separately and the hotel mail separately. Then they used to arrange it alphabetically so that it becomes easy for distribution, and it has to be delivered to the guest or the hotel staff as soon as possible. If it is a register mail, it is compulsory, mandatory to take a signature. Information desk is responsible for receiving, recording, and delivering the mails. Employee mails are sent to the time office, which is also known as security office, which is the entry and exit point for all staff. Office mails are delivered to the secretaries of the departmental heads. In the next slide, we will see the mail register format, which was used in the semi-automated system. This is basically, it was used in a semi-automated system where technology was not fully into the industry. These are the few images of the guest services. Here you can see how the front desk person is interacting with the guest. Some of the latest trends in the front office is of hotel lobbying. What is a lobbying? Hotel lobbying, nowadays technology has come into place. Everything is automated. From check-in to check-out, everything is automated. Even the guest mails, which are now recorded in a soft copy, and it is a copy of this is also sent to the guest. Hotels front desk management is also mobile enabled. Everything happens on the tip of the mobile. Technology has played a major part in the evolution of the industry. Need for seamless technology has taken over the industry, and post COVID-19, everything is going to be on the tap of one button. Let us see what is a outgoing mail procedure. First, we used to collect the mail. The bellboy used to go to the guest room and collect the mail from the guest. Then it is marked with a stamp with a franking machine. Then they used to record the post of charges in the miscellaneous charge voucher, and we ask the guest to verify and sign it. Then it is recorded in the outgoing mail register. Either it is posted through the post office or it is sent through the courier agency. This is a format of outgoing mail register. Now sit back and watch a beautiful video of Oberoi Hotels, Mumbai. Hope you guys have enjoyed this beautiful video of one of the finest hotels of India. Let us have some Q&A session. There are few questions listed out here. You can find the answers in the same presentation. If you have any doubt, you need any clarification, you are not able to understand any part of the presentation, please get back to me on my email ID. Thank you. And these are the references from where the notes have been taken.